Good morning, everybody, and welcome again to the Empowering Morning Conversations. So let's have a good start to another wonderful day.
Good morning.
Good morning, Milan. So the best way for me to start is to have you people start the conversation. I obviously have a lot to say. I always do. But I always look forward to hearing from you. So who's going to start the conversation this morning? You can start it whichever way you want, with your sharing or whatever. So it looks like Gaurav has unmuted himself.
Good
So do
morning.
you want? Good morning. Good morning. How are you? And what would you
Very
like
well.
to talk about?
Okay, what I want to talk about is I have been doing yoga classes now for about 20 years or so, quite frequently. Now, there is always this thing of, either being in a group or being with a leader or a coach to do it regularly. On my own, I have noticed, be it the gym or yoga, karte hain, hota hai, ho jayega, that is the mode. And oftentimes, I think even with positive thinking or creative thinking, unless there's a catalyst or someone to nudge you or some dire consequences looming ahead, we are in our comfort zones. And I am saying I take ownership to self-generate. Yes, if someone is there, it is good. Or if we are in a group, even better. However, keeping your remote in your own hands, in my own hands, is what I wanted to share with you. So it's a process. I guess it'll happen.
That's what we are endeavoring to do here, to give you back the remote in your own hand. Thank you so much, Gaurav, for sharing that. How are things with you otherwise?
Good.
Looking up?
Yesterday there were some breakthroughs, so looking good, getting better.
Fantastic. Fantastic. Thank you very much for sharing that.
Thank you.
Okay, who else?
Morning, Sudeepji.
Morning, morning.
Sir,
Gopalji, how are you?
how are you? Fine, thank you, sir.
And looks like Ratanji wants to say something also. So go ahead, Ratanji. Go ahead.
Yeah.
Nice to see you.
Nice to see you too. Yesterday, the business venture I was dealing with Vetrivel and another person. So I had a Zoom talk with the representative of the manufacturer for that product. It's like a cereal drink, but like a substitute to coffee. And we just discussed what are the possibilities of getting sole distributorship for Dubai and India. So it's just initial stage, but it's progressing.
Wow. So that was your extraordinary task of yesterday. Great. Thank you very much for
Right.
sharing that.
Right. Okay.
Okay, let's hear from somebody else. Good morning, Rama. And good morning, Neeti. And everybody else who's on this call. So what do you want to say to everybody? From whatever we were discussing yesterday, what opened up for you? So what mode do you think you are in right now? All the people who are keeping quiet and not speaking, what mode are you in? Default mode or the create mode?
Thinking mode, sir.
I will show you mode or I will serve you mode.
Transitioning mode.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning. Good morning.
Yesterday, I've been thinking about what else is possible. That's what I said.
Okay.
I was thinking.
Okay. Okay. Very good.
So many things opened up which was blocked for a long time.
Yeah, that's what you want to share about, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
What opened up?
Yes, sir.
So what opened up?
No, we had a problem with the electricity board about the connection to our new plant.
Uh-huh.
I've been dodging for the last 3 months. So we have talked to the people in slightly higher level. They said they'll take care. I just waited because I thought it should be done at the lower level, but they have not done it. So I think that should be done during this week, sir.
And that's what opened up by asking what else is possible.
Yes, sir.
And anything else also? You said many things have started opening up.
Yeah, in fact, I am speaking to my team about why we are not able to achieve the targets. They are in the default mode. They have been telling all the answers like this. This is the problem. This is the problem. I said, why not? Why don't you find the solutions when you have the problems? So please come back to me with solutions, not the problems. So that's how I'm trying to question them, or I'm trying to bring them into my way and empower them.
So this is a different way for you, is it? You
Yes,
don't
sir.
do great, fantastic. So you're not
Yes.
accepting people's excuses. You're saying, come and give me the solutions for it.
Yes, sir.
Very good, very good. Congratulations. Okay, who else?
I'm also very happy
Okay, what did you do, Gopalji, that makes you very happy?
because I took a decision, sir. Forget about
Okay.
this COVID fears, let's have a party. So we were not meeting people, friends, for a long time.
Okay.
And, I'm a
Okay.
party man right from the beginning, We had to have a lot of parties, So I love
Uh-huh.
parties and sitting together with friends.
Okay.
And having tea.
Okay.
Yeah. Invited my friend and have a long time, went up to right up to late evening, late night.
Congratulations.
Only for a long time.
All right, thank you very much for sharing. Today's sharing day, right? So you can have a breakthrough and open up new possibilities every time you open your mouth and say something. See, you stop worrying about, am I saying the right thing? Am I saying the wrong thing? Just think about how can I contribute, right? Anything you say will contribute to a conversation.
I will go for it, sir. Good morning,
Yes,
sir.
yes, why not?
Good morning, everyone. So yesterday in my office, my boss called me and asked, you want to take a training for the office staffs that is called the first aid training. Like I have to go for a training. So in case of any emergency, within the office staff itself, like heart attack, finding the symptoms of the heart attack, those kind of things. So whether you want to go for a training. First, initially, if like an old person, definitely I would have said, no, I don't want to go at all. So I just thought for a moment, thought for a second, I said, okay, I'll go for it. So I just wanted to see what it is. I've not been exposed to it. So it may help also for someone. So I immediately accepted it. So that was a change in me. The another one, sir, like yesterday we finished with about the problems now. I would like to say some story about the problems. Like one guy said, whoever have the problems, please put it in your sacks and then come. We will all meet in the tomorrow morning in the big marriage hall, and then we will discuss about it. Then everyone assembled, and then people have come with the lorries and carts they're carrying all the sorts of problems, and they all assembled. And the main person who is hosting this, he said, I'm going to put off all the lights now. So what you have to do is, you have to exchange your problems. Like suppose whatever the snacks you bought, so you
give it to the other person.
Yeah, give it to the other person. And he has given some time, and then he started counting it, and then he put on the slide, and nobody wants to exchange anything, because when they come and assemble there only, they know that our problems are simple compared to the other people's problems. It's better we deal with only our problems. So that I remember a story which I heard a long time back.
Great. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir. So what?
No, I just muted you because there's a lot of noise being made by someone.
Okay.
Go on.
There's one experience I had day for yesterday and yesterday when I went for a walk and then jogging. Day for yesterday I went for jogging, and then yesterday I went for a walk. When I was jogging, because of that aggressiveness, whatever I think, that is also coming out with more of aggressiveness. Okay, do this, do that. But when I go for a walk, that aggressiveness is not there. It is not coming out. Is it anything to do with the feeling or that experience, which I experienced after many years I go for doing this. But this I experienced yesterday. The thought, no, that thought came in yesterday.
Wonderful. Thank you. Thank you very much for sharing it.
No, but
Okay, who else?
What was the difference? Why is it something that because of the aggressiveness it comes, or
I don't know. You want to figure it out.
okay.
Why are you always looking for answers outside?
Okay. Thank you, sir. I'll look for it.
Yes,
Okay.
Neeti. Good morning. How are you?
Good morning, sir. Sir, 2-3 days back, you were talking about I will show you versus I will serve you. And though I was totally floored by the statement of I will serve you, but in practical application, I am facing some difficulties. So I would like to talk a little bit on this once more.
Yeah, please do. It'll help if you make your voice a little clearer. I think you're away from the microphone or something. Your voice, the voice is not loud enough, but you can, not like usual.
So I will serve in that statement of yours. If you could talk a little more about it, in the situation in which a person says that I will show you. In that situation, obviously there are a lot of challenges and there is some heated exchange or whatever. So in that kind of a situation, to resort to the statement of I will serve you, what really can a person do in that? I mean, what should I do? How do I serve? What do I look for to serve? Or how do I manage myself so that I can serve the next person? That is where in its practical application I'm kind of currently lost.
Okay, so now since I have a little bit of the background about what you're talking, see, when people are doing what they are doing, have you noticed where are they coming from? They are coming from, I will show you. I am right, you're wrong, is I'll show you.
Yes.
Isn't it? So in
Yes.
that situation, and if you know that basically the whole issue is about serving someone, you're supposed to be serving someone, right? And there is an argument between two people whether you are serving or not. Okay? But actually you are serving. And why are you pissed off? Because you want to, make yourself right and say, hello, I am serving. What do you think? I'm not serving or? So you want to show them, right? Why do you have to get hooked to someone who's accusing you that you're not doing your job if you don't want to show anything to them? Number one. So suppose like I'm doing something sincerely with all my heart, and somebody is coming and telling me you're not doing your job and you didn't do this and you're not doing that. My immediate desire will be what? To show them, hello, I'm doing my job. What do you think? How can you accuse me? See, that's coming from, I will show you. But in that situation, if you're just looking and saying, all right, that's an interesting point of view. Here I'm actually serving and I'm going to continue to serve. You can keep thinking whatever you want to think. In which case you won't react, no? Your reaction will not be so bad. And there is no need to, in that case, there is no need to justify whether you're serving, not serving, because you are serving. That's one aspect of it. The second aspect of it is that in that conversation, if you start thinking that I want to serve this person, you might also start thinking, why is he doing what he's doing? If, for example, yesterday, Giri Garu was sharing about some staff member who came to the office and he did code, and I must say he handled it quite well, right? But when you're coming from, I will serve you, he might even go to the extent of sitting down with that fellow and asking him, hello, I mean, what happened? Because, if a fellow has got tendency to do certain things, like, in your life also, there are people who have tendency to do the same thing again and again, no matter what you do. So if you want to serve them, you might want to find out, or maybe have a more compassionate view. I mean, what's wrong with them that they, when there is no need to attack, why is somebody attacking? Are you getting it? In a given situation, in many situations, there is no need to attack. There's no need to get aggressive. Then why is a person, raising their blood pressure, releasing stress chemicals in their body and resorting to aggression when there is no need to resort to aggression? then I would be more curious to find out what's wrong and how can I help them to get over it, because they think they are harming you.
Hmm.
They may be thinking that in their aggression they are harming you, but actually you know that they are harming themselves.
Hmm.
Isn't it? So when we get into this, I will serve you mode, many possibilities open up. For example, if somebody says, okay, stop it, don't continue the conversation now,
Hmm.
which means he's allowing a festering wound to keep on festering.
Hmm.
There also, I would think, okay, I mean, what makes him do this? What makes him or her not want to confront the situation?
Hmm.
So when those, what shall I say, I will serve you vibrations go out, then they will gently get influenced, in that sense. Normal tendency is what? We react. There is always a reaction to a reaction. So when you are in the show you mode, when somebody is in the show you mode, you're going to get hooked into I will show you mode also. So what do you think, that kind of a thing? So when you switch to, now it's a little difficult thing to do unless you've got a lot of practice there in the tools. So here is a very small tip. When this kind of interaction is happening and things are getting heated, you start putting your focus on your breath.
Hmm.
Yeah. So that will allow you to listen in a more focused way with less reaction to whatever they are saying. That's right. When everybody is worked up, we get worked up with them. So it's adding to that negative energy in that space.
Hmm.
When you start cooling down and hello, this is an interesting point of view. At this moment, they are all behaving like rabid dogs. Their brains are not working. Actually, brains are not working that time, right? So why should I join the club of people whose brains are not working? So you'd be, okay, let me listen to what these people have to say. Eventually, they will vent everything and they notice you're not reacting. They'll keep quiet eventually. Or you may even provoke them further by asking, okay, is there anything else you want to say? I usually do that. Is there anything else you want to say? Nikal do bhai. Then there is a room, when you don't yourself react. So the trick is to keep yourself cool and calm in that moment. Be in that spirit of serving. I can serve everyone if at least I retain my, what shall I say, equilibrium. If I too lose my equilibrium, just like they are doing, I cannot serve anybody. And actually, in that entire situation, you are actually the only person who's serving. You know what I mean? So that's why sometimes it feels bad that when I'm serving so much and they don't see it. Or maybe it is a ploy to make sure that you continue to serve. I mean, people use all kinds of manipulation, isn't it?
Yes.
Including this one. कि तुम कुछ नहीं करते हो and all that. I don't know what the situation is, but people do all kinds of stupid things. So we don't let ourselves get hooked in it. That's what I'm saying. If we react to it, we are hooked. Okay? I hope that answers your question.
Yes, very much, very much. Thank you.
All right. Thank you very much. Yes, Abhinav sir, how are you and what is it that you'd like to talk about?
Yes, I would like to talk about a few things. So number one is that पिछले 3 दिनों से for the last 3 days I haven't gone out for a walk because every morning I have pain in my right leg, and every night I think tomorrow it won't happen. Then I see when I go to sleep I keep everything ready, including which clothes to wear tomorrow morning, and it's not happening. So now I'm taking responsibility for it. I will speak to you during the day, or I will give myself Reiki, whatever needs to be done, but I will take care of
Exactly.
that.
Exactly.
That it will go away. Yeah. Secondly, yesterday I had a third interview in a company where I have applied for a job. And though the interview was done on telephone by a very very junior level person in the HR department, तो पहले मुझे क्या यार बच्ची से मेरा इंटरव्यू करवा रहे हैं. But then I said, once the interview was over, I remember one of the questions she asked me was, Mr. Mathur, what has been your accomplishments in life? और तब से लेकर अब तक I'm thinking about it.
You're thinking about it.
All. It was a very beautiful question.
But you're thinking till now
I'm
that
still
what are
thinking
my
about it.
accomplishments in my life?
यस इंटरव्यू खत्म भी हो गया, मैं अभी भी रात को सोता समय भी सोच रहा हूँ.
Good, na?
See, when someone asks this question about a economist, so economist many times it is I want to give an answer जो उसकी पसंद का है. But I said कि how about giving an answer जो मेरी पसंद का है यार. I never abandoned my mother. You know, I shared with you my mother was a heart patient and we never knew कि वो कितने दिन जिएंगी वो. So I had chances to go abroad, not once, many times. And you know कि मुझे कितना शौक है घूमने फिरने का, बाहर जाने का. But I never went.
You remember,
I
one of your
decided to.
accomplishments, Abhinav, one of your accomplishments is also something you
Yeah.
shared with me long time back when you and your friend picked up
Yeah.
this old woman whose head was
Yes.
open
Yes.
and you looked
Yes.
after her for such a long time. Is that not an
and-
accomplishment?
Yeah, and she's still alive.
Yeah. So is that it's not an accomplishment?
Yes, it is an accomplishment, लेकिन क्या हुआ, कुछ आने लगा. हाँ, डिवाइस ओवरहीटेड आ रहा है एक. So yes, but I don't know, इंटरव्यू के टाइम maybe they want me to tell them about कि कितना कंपनी को पैसा कमा के दिया. But
अरे वो भी तो किया है तुमने
but
बालाजी
maybe
Marine
next time
Lines में.
someone asks me. हाँ, कंपनी को खड़ा किया, इतने सारे लोगों को तनख्वाह दी. So I'm still thinking about it. And even during the lockdown, you know, I think I spoke to you also. I organized money for people. There were people जिनका पैसा ही खत्म हो गया, खाने को पैसा नहीं था. So all that accomplishment, I'm in the presence now.
Yeah, but I know
तीसरी
something.
चीज,
What
सुदीपक,
it's opening up for me, just hold on for a sec, Abhinav, is that
Yeah.
how much we
Yeah.
do not acknowledge our own selves. We think, oh, that's nothing what I did, वो तो कुछ नहीं था जो मैंने किया था. Actually we have accomplished things, but we don't pay heed or we don't seem to appreciate what we did. So we end up with this distorted idea about ourselves. Yeah, carry on, Abhinav, what you're saying.
Yeah. So I'm still asking myself this question. अभी भी दिमाग में थॉट चल रहे हैं, ये भी तो accomplishment है, वो भी तो accomplishment है.
हाँ, तो जितना
और,
सोचोगे
third-
उतना याद आ जाएंगे.
हाँ, इतने याद आता जा रहा है. हाँ. तीसरी चीज, we have a micro mini small farmhouse. अब वहां going to my father loves to go to that farmhouse. क्योंकि वहां पर नींबू के पेड़ है, खेती बाड़ी हल्की छोटी बहुत प्लांट्स है, तो he just loves going there. And for me going there is like going to hell. क्योंकि वहां इतनी गर्मी होती है. और you know my dad. So it's वो ना पुराने जमाने के जमींदार साहब, ठाकुर साहब टाइप की पर्सनालिटी मुझे लगती है अपने फादर की. एंड yesterday वो और एक
हालांकि वो एयरफोर्स के इतने सीनियर ऑफिसर थे, तुमको ठाकुर लगते हैं. एनीवे, गुड.
हाँ, ठाकुर साहब, जमींदार साहब के, हाँ, उनसे मैं कुछ कह ही नहीं सकता. और क्योंकि मुझे लगता है मैं ये कहूंगा तो ये विल जस्ट शाउट बैक एट मी. तो कल मैंने हिम्मत करके उनसे बोला कि पापा एक काम करते हैं, यहाँ पर ना जो एक कमरा है ना, उसमें एक कमरे में एसी लगवा देते हैं.
एसी लगवा देते हैं. फिर
उससे क्या होगा? उससे क्या होगा? मैं कहा उससे ये होगा कि अभी देखिए अगले महीने से मोस्ट प्रॉब्ली आई विल स्टार्ट गोइंग समवेयर. देन हु विल ब्रिंग यू? माय डॉटर, हमारी आपकी जो पोती है, माय डॉटर विल नेवर कम हियर बिकॉज ऑफ द गर्मी आउट हियर. सो एटलीस्ट यू कैन देन कम हियर. वो अपना पढ़ाई करती रहेगी आराम से बैठ के, और आप अपना एंजॉय करते रहेंगे खेती बाड़ी. To which he actually agreed.
congratulations.
Most probably
That's
next
another
year.
accomplishment. That's
Yes. So
another
next
accomplishment, by the way.
Yes, that's another accomplishment. So many times I don't say things to people saying कि ये तो पता नहीं उनको पसंद ही नहीं आएगा, और they may, or okay, let me speak, or they may act nasty with me. So I don't say things to people, and
Yeah.
but next time I will take that risk.
Well, you did. And I'll tell you something.
Yeah.
This is a problem with
Yeah.
many people, not
Yeah,
only
yeah.
you.
Yeah.
Some people say it, some people don't. Yes, Gautam.
Yeah.
Yes, that is I'll serve you, but thing is like that. I faced a problem yesterday. That I am now 64, and I got this. I'm in a job, but that company is taken over by another company, and their last age limit is 60. So I'm in dicey situation. I'm ready to serve people or the company, but age is making me really handicap, or age is telling me this is a time to retire. So I'm in
I'm
confusion.
60. I'm 68. I'm not thinking of retiring still.
Yeah, yes,
Why should,
yes.
why should you?
Yeah. So
Arey Baba,
what to
this
do,
is maybe
sir?
a door to bigger opportunity. How do you know?
Thank you, sir. Thank you. Thank you.
See,
This is,
we belong to one category of people, Gaurav Pal and Abhinav will concur with me. Every breakdown is a potential breakthrough. So you are anticipating a breakdown. It may be a potential breakthrough. Who knows? At least in my life, I've had many breakdowns, and after that, I came out much better for it. Why not you? So if you start thinking negatively in this state, then even if great opportunities show up, you might not see them. So keep your cool, and keep thinking, okay, what's the new opportunity waiting to happen? See, Providence is saying, Bhadra, enough of this one. We've got something bigger waiting for you. How about that? You are in Bangalore for a purpose, no?
I came for that only to meet the new company's country head. And he came, he addressed and like that. So I was discussing about their policy. So he told that is, we are having a 60 years of age limit, like that. So I
Yeah,
asked
so
him
meet
that,
him.
yeah.
If he has called you, there is a possibility. Otherwise, why would he call you? He could have told you bye-bye on the phone also, no?
Oh, that's really good. It sounds really good.
Yeah, it's real. I mean, if he wanted to get rid of you, he would not have called you, spent so much money. Why would he call you? That there is
Yes,
something in
correct.
it for you. So you be positive. He's looked at your CV. He knows what your background is.
Yes, he told,
Yeah.
yesterday he
So
mentioned.
nobody wants to lose a person like you, my dear.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Yeah. So don't think negatively. Go with a positive mindset. You will have a great interview, and whatever happens is good. So don't worry about it. Okay, sir?
Thank you. Thank you,
Thank
sir.
you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Yes, Kunan. How are you today?
Very good morning, sir. Just to share quick one similar incident had happened in my company, Gautamji. And ultimately, the person was not the employee. He became the consultant of the company. So instead of becoming employee because of the age limit, company can hire you as a consultant. That is another possibility. It happens in the industry. Good luck to you. Thank you so much.
Good. Thank you very much, Kunan. Okay, well. Okay, so time for me to remind you why we are here. Why are we here? We are here for our empowering morning conversations. And today's session number 129. And what are we going to open up today? Whatever we open up is going to lead to a world of ease, joy, and glory. So would you please say with me, all of life comes to me with ease, joy, and glory? All of life comes to me with ease, joy, and glory. So every experience is an opportunity to become a better version of yourself. I remind you, don't forget that. And if you approach every situation with this mindset, every opportunity will make me a better version of myself. If you approach every experience with that, would you feel negative? Would you feel worried? Would you feel apprehensive? You'll say, wow, aajao. Come on. You're only going to make me a better version of myself. Isn't that so? So that's what we just want to be here in this satsang and remind you every morning, hello, every experience is an opportunity to become a better version of ourselves and get out of the default mode and create. Get out of the decide mode and create. And I've explained to you enough times the benefit of doing that. So today I have a very interesting question for you. And what is that question? This is that question. I would like Kunan to read it out.
What is possible for me today? What is possible for me today?
So Gautam, what is possible for me today is a good question, rather than what is not possible for me today.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
So I urge each and every one of you to close your eyes and reflect on it for a moment. Take 5 minutes to think. Yeah. Silent, let your conversation in your head become silent and just be in the presence of this question. what is possible for me today? What is possible for me today? Keep breathing slowly and deeply. Slow and deep. Inhale and exhale. And with every breath, allow yourself to be in a state of deep relaxation. And in that state of relaxation, ask yourself this question: what is possible for me today? 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 So while the other people contemplate on what's possible for them today, Kasa has his hand raised. So Kasa, would you unmute yourself and say what is it that you'd like to say? Good morning. You came, even though you were late, you came. Thank you very much for coming. Good morning.
Thank you, sir. What I want to do today is,
Now, what is possible for me today?
what's possible for me today is to be more intense and to be more decisive in my action and in my communication.
Yeah, you sound like it. Congratulations.
Thank you, sir.
Very nice, very nice. Okay. Anybody else? If you got the insight, you can share it. Conan, you want to share?
Yes, sir. Actually, these days I am focusing on the attention element, but the thoughts, like everything is possible. Whatsoever I have a plan for the day, I can achieve, I can get it done. So nothing is impossible, as we know that even impossible is I am possible. And but one thought came, which I would like to share in a shairi. Always come insight like, कहा कि वो जो चाहे तो क्या नहीं मुमकिन. If I want, everything is possible. वो ना चाहे तो क्या करे कोई. So this is something should come from within, that this is what I want, this is what I have to do, this is what I need to get it done, that commitment element. So if there is a commitment, everything is possible, it can be done.
Wait, stick to the topic, please. All that I understand. But the question which I want all of you to dwell upon is, what is possible for me today? See, possible and whether you will step into the possible, that's two different things. Okay? So what is possible today shows you, oh, this is also possible. Then you say, okay, do I want to commit myself to that or not? Right? First thing to appear is what is possible. So the moment, if you see that you very rightly said whatever you plan to do today, it's possible that you will complete it. Yeah. The interesting thing would be what else is possible for me today. And when you see that possibility, then it's up to you to choose to commit yourself to that possibility or not. You're getting it? So be with that thought that what is possible for me today, or if you like to put it in another way, what else is possible for me today? Yes, Philomena ji. Go ahead.
Yes. The possibility for me today is that I'm meeting somebody who might be taking me to a higher level of the knowledge, at least to the higher level of doing healings, go up in my vibration level and all that. So a more successful healing can take place. So
Wonderful, wonderful. That's a
yeah,
great
that's
possibility opening up.
yeah,
Thank
that's
you
a
very much.
possibility. That is.
Great.
Thank
Thank you
you.
for sharing that. Yes, Rama.
Thank you, sir. I may take more than 1 minute. So first of all, thanks for the new format. After asking question, you are allowing us to think and forcing to think or be in that question thought, be in the question. So that is helping me. Otherwise, normally it's very difficult for me. So what came up today is that for me, recollecting what happened yesterday or previous, it has been really tough challenge. That is why I'm not able to, whenever you ask the question, share your thing, what happened yesterday. It's been no tough thing for me to recollect and share anything. So that gave me the possibility of being aware and being conscious about whatever I am doing on a daily basis on today, for example. So that is one possibility for me today. What is possible for me today is to be aware and be conscious. The second thing which came up is to look at the priorities of life instead of just going with the day-to-day operational stuff and the maintenance stuff. The possibility is that I can look at what is more important for me in life and what is my priorities in life. So I can look at that and then focus on that. So these are the two possibilities came up today. Thank you, sir.
Great. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you very much for sharing it. Okay. Who else?
Happy morning, sir.
Happy morning to you, Shakti. Oh, Philomi. Oh, sorry, Pongal. Okay.
Actually, for me, the possibility is that I'll be meeting one of the investors, one of the the most probable investors today. I'm just like, the moment you asked me the question, I sent a message asking for the appointment and the time. And because yesterday I was promised of giving me an appointment today. So the possibility that is opening up is I have an opportunity of meeting two most probable investors today.
And what does that make possible?
They are going to enroll themselves in my vision towards creating a better future for the youngsters, for the younger generation.
So that becomes possible, right?
Yes.
Is there any other possibility that can become possible out of these meeting these two people?
I'm coming to Bangalore on 29th. That can become possible.
Okay, what else can become possible? Because another possibility that can open up also is that these two people introduce you to at least 3 or 4 more people and say, hey, I've got some friend, I'd like him to be a part of it. Is it okay, Pongalji? Can I request my friend to be a part of your vision also? How wonderful is that?
More bigger things actually are on cards.
Yeah, so possibility open up more possibility if we allow it to, and we are unabashed and bold. See, you are bold, but you're not unabashed. Are you getting it? Now you got to become unabashed also. Like a little child will go on asking until he gets what he wants, right? You may scold him, you may do whatever you like. They'll go on and no, mommy, give it. So that's also can become possible, right?
Yes.
Bold, unabashed, with abandon, going ahead and chasing your dreams, and nobody's going to stop you. Great. Congratulations. Thank you very much for sharing it.
Thank you.
Okay, who else? Yes, go ahead, Mr. Shanmugam. Vetri.
Good morning, sir. Good morning, everyone. It's been a wonderful discussion, and my answer to the question is, I'm going to keep knocking the door of what is possible for me today.
Yeah, it looks like some great possibilities are opening up. Ratanji was sharing with us in the beginning.
Exactly, sir.
So I wish you all the best.
Thank you very much, sir. And I am giving more emphasis on keep dwelling on the question whole day. Like it can open up something big. I don't want to hurry to close this.
Yeah,
and,
but some possibilities opening up, yes or no?
Many, sir, many.
Okay,
Thanks
great.
for the energy. And just one quick thing, sir. I invited one of my friend who is quite big guy, Mr. Balaskandan. Thanks for coming, sir. And if possible, you can say hi to sir.
Oh, I saw a new name, all right, Bala.
Yeah.
Balaskandan. Mr. Balaskandan, good morning. Very warm welcome to our morning conversations.
Yeah,
So,
thank you very much, sir. Thank you very much. Thank you very much for Vetrivel introducing you in this group. Really, it is wonderful to be in this part of the group.
Great. Thank you for coming, and please keep coming and open up new possibilities for yourself and for all of us by your presence.
Thank
you. You know, when somebody comes, they contribute as much as they get contributed to. So it works both ways. Thank you very much for coming.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah. So who else? What is possible for you today?
Today, some latecomers also joined earlier.
And a warm welcome to the latecomers who joined earlier. Everybody's welcome anyhow. Okay, so come on, guys. I asked you to dwell on something, and something must have showed up in your brain. After all, the mind doesn't remain blank, does it? So what's stopping you from sharing it? Kuldeep ji, let's have you. And if nobody's going to say, then you can always say your share. We don't have to wait till the end to listen to your share.
गुड मॉर्निंग सर एंड गुड मॉर्निंग फ्रेंड्स। पहले तो आपको एक छोटा सा शेर ही सुना देता हूँ।
हाँ सुनाओ सुनाओ, हम बड़े उतावले हो रहे हैं।
अभी बात हो रही थी कि कुछ कहें या कुछ नहीं कहें, उसके ऊपर है कि कुछ रिश्ते हैं इसलिए चुप हूं, कुछ रिश्ते हैं इसलिए चुप हूं, और कुछ चुप हूं इसलिए रिश्ते हैं।
So you'll have to translate this. Huh? This is a really good one, and I'd rather have you do it rather than me doing it.
There are some relation existing. That is why I am keeping silent.
Okay.
And I am keeping silent sometime. That's why the relations are there.
Okay, anything else you'd like to say? What's opening up for you today?
Sir, it's opening for me to do a long pending work, which is possible, but which I am not doing because of not coming out of my comfort zone. I'll come out of the comfort zone and do the long pending activity which is there.
Okay, very nice. Thank you very much.
One more thing, sir, one more thing I want to ask you.
Yes.
Whenever time permits, kindly dwell on that crazy statement which you said you are making, that something appears real which is opposite to that. वो समझ में नहीं आया।
वो समझने वाली चीज ही नहीं है, तभी it's called a crazy statement. Everything is the opposite of what it appears to be, and nothing is the opposite of what it appears to be. You know, this is जैसे आपके कंप्यूटर में आप उसको जब हैंग हो जाता है, you press the Control Alt Delete button, है ना? So this is that Control Alt Delete button for your brain. When it's getting too much like that, no? When you get into that mode, you just say this crazy statement. Everything is the opposite of what it appears to be, and nothing is the opposite of what it appears to be. Everything is the opposite of what it appears to be, and nothing is the opposite of what it appears to be. You just say it, no? And see, say it number of times whenever your brain is addled.
It is somewhat akin to putting things into the trash, garbage out.
Consider it whatever you may like to do, but this will definitely free you up when your attention is out of control.
Indeed, absolutely.
So don't try to understand it, just do it. There are many things, you just do it. You know, when a command is given, you don't question it, do you? You just go ahead and follow orders. This is not an order, but it's not something comprehensible either. See, we don't have to understand everything in order to do it, do we?
Absolutely. Not necessary.
So, karke dekho.
Or when sleep comes, just sleep.
If you're not able to sleep, then also you should do it. You'll get sleep very quickly. Try it out, sir.
Yeah.
Nothing will be lost. Rajeshekaran.
When the question is posted, what is possible to me.
What is possible for me?
Yes, sir. Question possible for me. A lot of things which we wanted to take action, it was in the cloud situation. We are not taking action. That become clarity, and we are planning to. I am planning to take action today.
Okay. Can you tell me one or two of those things that you're going to take action?
Okay, sir. I wanted to speak to one of the person from India to understand about the Indian market, and he's an important guy. So immediately morning itself, I texted him, and he will yet to reply. Today I will speak to him, sir.
Okay, great. What other possibility opened up for you? You try this, everybody. Many times a day, you simply ask this question, what else is possible? And just see what comes. Interesting things will come. Okay, you try this experiment and see what else is possible. Go for it. All right, next person, Mr. Raghu.
Yes, sir. Good morning, sir. Good morning once again. Sir, I have to deliver a speech in my Toastmaster Club on Sunday. Usually, I take a longer time to prepare and deliver. So always my mind tells me of a longer period to prepare. So I should try. I'm going to try today. That today is my working day rather than a holiday, and then complete all the things like preparing the speech, rehearsal, everything, and then to be myself free for tomorrow to do something new.
Wow.
Thank you, sir.
Congratulations. Okay, somebody else. What is possible for you today? I'm not saying whether you're going to do it or you're not going to do it or nothing, but what is possible for you today? One good answer would be everything is possible for me today, sir. What is possible for you today? So what makes it, difficult for you to speak up? Did your mind not tell you what else is possible today? Thank you, Philomena. Yes, Abhinav.
So Sudeepak, what's possible for me today is one of my friends who is an actor in Bombay. He's starting some new venture, and कुछ समय पहले उसने बोला था that he wants me to join him. उसके बाद there was no news for him. So I'm going to call him up today and say कि भाई तेरे दिमाग में what business are you going to start and what role you have for me. So आपने जो you coached that gentleman about how about being unabashed. So I'm not unabashed. I will just request something and then give all space and freedom to the other person to say yes or no.
Yeah, that Sardarji is a very good guy. I say he will.
Yeah. I
know who you're talking about.
I know he got some funding from somewhere, so he's starting something.
Why don't you invite him to the morning conversations? He's a very interesting guy.
Yeah. I will.
I thought he stopped acting. I haven't seen him around for a long time. क्या नाम था उसका? मैं भूल गया.
उसका असली नाम है गुरचरण सिंह और उसका जो स्क्रीन नेम है जो तारक मेहता का उल्टा चश्मा में उसका नाम है
सोटी. I remember him. बहुत साल हो गया. Anyways, good. Congratulations. That possibility is also opened up for you. So 2 possibilities. The second possibility is you invite him to join us on morning conversations. He will love it. He is the kind of guy who will come.
Yes, he will.
In that case, we will have 2 actors. One is already there.
Who's the existing actor?
We will not tell you. He will say it himself. No.
Okay.
He's a guy who's actually acted in a Mani Ratnam film, and we're quite privileged to have him here with us.
Okay.
वो कभी अपनी शक्ल नहीं दिखाते हैं because unless you pay the actors, they don't show their faces.
They don't show. Correct.
Okay, who else? What is possible for you today?
Can I?
Yeah, sure. Who's this?
Mr. Thomas?
Yes, sir. Definitely. Why not?
Sir, yesterday you said that one of your friend was in deep trouble financially, and you told him not to, or rather cut off his credit card. It is possible for me today to not take my credit card along at all. That's what I'm going to do today.
Yeah, that's
Not
one
to-
step.
One
That's
step,
that's
yes.
possible for you today.
You know why I'm saying that.
Yeah, absolutely. But even a better method is you take your wife with you wherever you go, no? She will not let you use your credit card. But better not to take the credit card. That's possible for you today. Fantastic. Okay, thank you very much. So what's opening up for you today? Imtiaz Bhai, Suja, and Ashok ji, and so many other people on this call, Sudha and Sudha. What is possible for you today?
Give up lot of things.
Yeah, who's this?
Priya.
Yeah, go ahead, Priya. Always good to hear from you.
Give up lot of beliefs that I have.
So what is possible for you today is that you're going to give up a lot of belief. That's what you're going to do. वो तो आप करने वाली हो. What's possible for you today? आज किन चीजों की संभावना है आपके जीवन में? What is possible for you today?
Create happiness.
So there is a possibility that you can be happy today.
Yeah,
There's a possibility you can smile today also.
I am doing that.
Yeah, so just keep thinking what else is possible for you today. And see, one thing I want to tell everybody, somehow the mind is, I don't know, a lot of people, they're always looking at what is not possible today. You just see when Bhadra was sharing, he's gone to Bangalore especially for a particular reason, but his mind was on what? What is not possible. So when I reminded him what is possible, then, I mean, there was hope, there was possibility, there's something going to happen kind of a thing. क्या संभव है मेरे जीवन में? What is possible for me? It's different from what am I going to do today. I didn't ask you what are you going to do today. I said what is possible for you. Many people answered what they are going to do today. My question is what is possible for you today? Is there a difference between the two? What is possible for you today and what you're going to do today?
Yes.
So what is possible for you today? It's a different kind of thinking, you understand? We always keep thinking about what we are going to do. अभी मुझे क्या करना है? अरे बाबा, आपको क्या करना है? It always comes from what is possible, no? So what is possible for you today?
I think first you have to decide what is needed to be done, what you want to do it. And once you're sure in your mind what you want to do it, then you go into the thing of, is it possible for me to do it?
No. First of all, what is possible for me today?
It depends on what you want to do, no, first. And then
Well,
you
who
ask,
knows?
is it
No, suppose you cut out that. You don't know what you want to do, let us say. Because a lot of times what you want to do depends on what you think is possible, no? If I think something is not possible, huh?
That again depends, no?
Yeah, that is the default thinking, no?
It depends
That's what
on
we want to.
It depends on what you want and what you want to do it before you, then you can think, is it possible, and act on it.
No. That's not the kind of thing I'm talking about, Darshana ji. That is the old default way of thinking. Understand? That is actually limiting possibilities. What I want to do today and then looking at what is possible or not is different from, like, Pongal, if she was looking at what is possible or not and then decided to do it, she would have never gone on this school project, where she's going to be buying a school for 18 crores because she doesn't have it. Yeah. So what I want to do can come from what is possible for me today. So you look at a new possibility and say, yeah, wow, I can do that also. And then you say, okay, I'll do it. And then you'll say, how do I make it happen? Are you getting it? What is possible for me today? Then you look at that, that is possible for me. Then you say, all right, Do I choose to do it? Yes, I choose to do it. Now, what should I do to make it happen? That is one way of doing it. Are you getting it? So just be in the question. Don't jump into the conclusion so quickly. What is possible for you today, Darshana, is different from what I want to do today, isn't it? They're two different questions, isn't it? What is possible for me today and what is it that I want to do today? They are two separate things. And if you treat them separately, then you see what is going to open up for you.
I think I'm lost then.
Good, no? When you're lost, you're not going to think the old way, you'll think the new way. What is possible for me? So many things are possible in this world, right?
Yeah.
So what is possible for me?
I mean,
So don't tell me,
whatever-
just think, yeah, what is possible for me? Let it come to you. What is possible? See, there are very obvious things that are possible. It is possible for you to go out. It is possible for you to look out of the window. It is possible for you to smile. It is possible for you to jump. Yeah, whatever your mind thinks is possible will determine your choices, I think.
No, that's exactly what I'm saying. I mean, you have to know before finding out it is possible. I mean,
No, the way you are looking at possible is different from the way I'm saying what is possible. What is possible for me in the world? And then you decide whether you want it or not.
but in that way, everything is possible.
Yeah, then you can choose anything. So at this moment, any possibility that shows up, you can choose it. No? Very rightly said, everything is possible. But do we actually live our life like that everything is possible?
So that is why you have to choose now what you want to achieve and what you want to do, and then go for the
Okay, so here's the deal with you, Darshana. Just be in this question. What else is possible? Okay, and see what shows up.
Okay.
Yeah, just be in that question today and see what shows up. What else is possible? Just write it down somewhere and keep it and remind yourself a couple of times. What else is possible? Because we always stick to something which we have limited ourselves to. You know, we are inside a box or a frame of thought or whatever it is. So when you keep asking this question, what else is possible? New possibilities show up which you never thought of before. So if you never thought of something before, how would you choose it? So think about it and let's see what comes up. Tomorrow's another day for you and me. We can always continue this conversation, but be in this question for a while. You give up your whatever your line of thinking is, just be in the question. What else is possible? This is like Kuldeep ji trying to understand that crazy statement. Yes, Neeti. This is mental wrestling that you're doing.
Yes, sir. Sir, when you made us do the exercise, I
think, Neeti, your microphone is either not plugged in properly or there is some problem. Your voice is so tinny, like it's coming from far away, you know. Just
You can move the mic.
Remove it and put it again. No. Where is the microphone anyway? We can't see you, so we cannot guide you.
Sir,
now it's okay.
Okay. Sir, when you made us do the exercise, I had a vision where I saw this is a huge white mountain, slightly snow-peaked, and I saw myself begin on a new journey of climbing up the mountain, walking up the mountain. So I guess today some new beginnings are possible for me.
Many.
Yes, I guess so.
Congratulations. Be bold.
Thank you. Thank you.
You're welcome. All right, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, thank you very much. And Hasina ji is missing. We'll have to find out what happened to her. Darshana ji, any idea about Hasina ji?
She took a second dose of vaccination yesterday and
Ah.
she was feverish.
Okay. So
Maybe
we'll ring.
that's why she's here.
Yeah, that's fine. So we'll ring her up and find out later. Great. Thank you very much for remembering that, Raghu. All right. So thank you very much. The formal part of our meeting today is over, and we look forward to seeing you again tomorrow morning for another session of Empowering Morning Conversations. Thank you. And those who want to leave, they can. Those who want to stay can. We will carry on for another few minutes.
Thank you, sir.
Thank
Have
you
a
very
have a
much.
wonderful day,
Good day to
everyone.
everybody.